Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, I want to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S9, its actual release date, which has been confirmed by Samsung's mobile chief, DJ Ko, and also other important details on specs and design. So let's dive in and find out everything. Before we dive in, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, make sure to follow me at SAKITECH Online. Now, first things first, the Galaxy S9 will be released towards the end of February in Mobile World Congress. MWC will be held in Barcelona, Spain from February 26th until March the 1st. So within that bracket, the S9 and the S9 Plus will be announced and fully revealed. And of course, we already have tons of information of what to expect, so let's dive in and discover all that stuff. Now, before I give you the details, I do want to let you know that this video was sponsored by RAVPOWER, a well-known name in portable power banks who have just introduced a rock-solid 26,800 milliamp hours power bank. This thing is absolutely amazing. You charge it once and it provides enough juice to recharge an iPhone X 6 times and a Galaxy S8 5 times. This is the ultimate power bank, and of course it has a USB Type-C connector for fast charging and wide range compatibility. And of course you can easily charge multiple devices such as a smartphone and a tablet at the same time, and both will charge in the fast charging mode. It also comes with a convenient carrying pouch with an extra slot to carry charging cables. Guys, this is the only power bank you will ever need. I will drop a link down below which will take you to the full product information page and buying options. It's very affordable for what it does. Alright, so let's talk about the design of the Galaxy S9. This has been confirmed by various sources. From the front, both the S9 and S9 Plus will look exactly like the S8 and S8 Plus with similar dimensions. Gordon Kelly from Forbes magazine was able to collaborate with Ghosttech, which is a case manufacturer, and of course Ghosttech is already taking orders for its Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus case, which means they have the exact design of the S9 at hand, which is what you see on the screen. This is the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Now, as you can see, the S9 will have a single camera, while the S9 Plus will have a dual rear camera setup in vertical orientation. The fingerprint sensor will be below the camera and centered, which is great. So that's the design. Now let's take a look at the specs to expect. Now with the processor, we're going to get Snapdragon 845 processor for United States and Exynos 9810 for the rest of the world. Potentially, we're going to have 6 GB of RAM on each. S9 will have a 5.8-inch screen, while the S9 Plus will have a 6.2-inch screen, and both are going to have Quad HD Plus resolution with the Super AMOLED display. We will also get all the basics such as iris scanner, IP68 grade water resistance, wireless charging, and all that good stuff, and probably these things are going to be enhanced even further. Battery capacity will be very close to the S8 and the S8 Plus, which is 3,000 and 3,500 milliamp hours respectively. I do not expect stereo speakers, unfortunately, but that is something that remains to be seen. We're not 100% sure on that. And that's basically all the info we have so far. We have a full grip on the release date, the design, and 85% grip on the specs. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or additional knowledge, drop it down below in the comments section and share it with everybody. And of course, let me know how you feel about this release. Are you going to upgrade to the S9 or S9 Plus, or just keep what you already have? Guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at SAKITECH Online. Also, check out that fantastic RAVPOWER power bank I talked about earlier. Links are down below. For now, have a fantastic day.